Hello, today I'm going to talk about the Trader Joe's English Breakfast Tea. Now there are 48 tea bags in this box here. Right now there are not that many because this is proof how much I love this tea. As you can see, there are like 4 left. Yeah, so there were 48 when I got this. And now there is only 4. I am definitely more of a tea person, and so this is great for caffeine boost in the morning. I drink this instead of coffee. And in the summer, I like to turn it into iced tea, and I drink it to stay cool. I love iced tea. You can really turn any tea into iced tea, but there are some that are just really good for it, well suited for the cold. English breakfast tea it's one of the most well-known black teas out there. You know, Earl Grey, English breakfast, Irish breakfast. This is a breakfast tea and it's black. It is 100% black tea. It's very straightforward, nothing else to it except for those ingredients, 100% black tea. Now, I love black tea, and I especially love this one. It has a very rich flavor, and it just smells so good. If you could smell it right now, you would understand. It just smells so good, and it definitely, the scent has not faded, so this box has kept it pretty well. And I bought this like 2 months ago. Keep in mind that I do live with my boyfriend, so he does like to drink this as well. And I just love it so much. I drink it without sugar personally. Some people find that black tea is too pungent to drink without sugar. If I do want to add anything to it, like a sweetener, I would probably add honey. So yeah, that's what I would suggest. These teas are also great for, say, if you want to make like a London fog. I don't know if that's just Earl Grey tea, but it's basically where you add milk to the tea and you create this fog, I guess. So that's what it looks like. And I really like that too. And you can add any kind of milk. So depending on your diet, you know. It is very common, and so that also means that it appeals to a lot of different guests. Say you're having guests over and you want to give them some breakfast and they don't have to go through like a whole bunch of different teas to choose. You can just give them English breakfast tea, which is a pretty diverse tea. Most people like it as far as black teas go. And a lot of places will tell you you should steep it. I mean, even on the back here it says steep it for 3 to 5 minutes, but I think that's too long. I think it's a very absorbent, I think it's very strong tea. And so depending on how strong you want your tea, you leave it in longer. But I find that I only need 2 minutes for this one about, so I would keep that in mind. Obviously, when you're making iced tea, then you're going to want to put it in for longer and leave it in there. But for just a regular cup of tea, I would just put 1 of these and then it would just stay for like 2 minutes and I take it out. And the box is cardboard here, and I like that it's kind of a plaid design. As you can see, it's pretty clever. And then there's a crest on here, coat of arms. It is 3.84 ounces, and I use mine like over and over again. I like this box, I can reuse it. I keep this in the cupboard, and I also find that I can recycle this box if I don't want to reuse it. There are no flavors, no preservatives, no artificial coloring. It's just 100% black tea. The tea bags themselves are made of this, the outside, the packaging for them is this white paper, and it has blue lettering. And what's nice is to open it, it's very simple, it's perforated, so you just do that. And then It's interesting because they're attached, so you can either just pull them out that way and detach. I'll probably drink this in a minute, so it's hard with one hand, but as you can see, you kind of tear it off. But you can also just choose to leave it in the tea bag, and these also can be opened up. So it's really up to you, but it's just a very simple, efficient kind of way. It's not as classy, but it gets the job done. That caffeine boost. They're also, the tea bags themselves are pretty durable. A lot of the time I buy these tea bags that just like break when you put them in the water, but these ones are pretty strong, and they also have a good filtration system, so they just filter the water and the tea through, you know, very well, so you get a good effect in a short amount of time. And I keep it in this box in my cupboard. My boyfriend really likes these teas too, and that's probably why most of them are gone here. It's a good family size box, so if your family likes tea and you don't want to keep buying it over and over again, then this is a really good size for you. It's like buying tea in bulk, but in a more health conscious way with Trader Joe's. It's not necessarily a great gift idea because I feel like you could do a little better than this bulky box, but then again, if it's for an entire family, that's different. And remember, this is from Trader Joe's. It was founded in 1958. I adore Trader Joe's. I shop there a lot, and I love their teas. I think they're just really great quality. It's based in Monrovia, California, and it's expanding very rapidly. So I would check them out, and I would check out their products and their teas. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video.